Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for DJ in Hawaii on this Galaxy DX2547. Coming to you in 4K Ultras, my first 4K Ultra video. We thought we'd give it a try. And what better to try it on than this Galaxy DX2547? DJ wanted the works done to it. So they're going to be putting a big old hammer down on a lot of folks over there, and he wanted to make sure this thing stayed nice and cool. So what we did the regulator upgrade. We opted for the Bishay IRF 520 finals in place of the stock IRF 520s, closer tolerances. Upgraded the electrolytic capacitors on the audio buffer and also on the filter capacitor. As you can see, we also put an ultra bright LED in. Then we did our tune and alignment, which included the clarifier modification as well. So let's get right to it and show you what we got. 5-watt slug, half-watt carrier, roll it all the way up, 5 watts, roll it back down, 100-watt slug, average power, low. Would help if we turn the mic gain up. Low 19 bird. Peak power. Low 35 peak. So doing these extra modifications does indeed bring the power up some, but more than anything, it's for longevity and durability. If this is something that you would like to have done to your rig, or if you just want to purchase one of these new, just give me a shout. Thank you, DJ, and I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bum bum.